Buwate bwatyo n'agenda n'abasirikale abalala bagenda mu kifo ekyo naye ne bamugamba nti ekifo ekyo giginaku z'omwezi 29/8/2022 nti waliwo abantu abamenya mu nnyumba ya Jacob ne babbayo ebintu eby'enjawulo ebirimu ssente, zilaputopu, amasimu n'ebirala. Bwatyo bagendayo nga 3/9/2022 ssaawa nga 7:25 nti bwe baatuukayo ne babagamba nti bali mu maka ga mwami olimu Charles, nti ate abamugamba abatuuze ne bamugamba n'abapoliisi yasaana nga batuuse.
Yes, US dollar. In 7 bundles of 100 notes. I wrote that money was in a Great Lake checked bag.
What was the, how many dollars?
The money was 7,000 US dollars. It was in a green checked bag, which was found in the wardrobe. In the wardrobe, and that wardrobe was in the master bedroom of Charles Sipapa, where I marked it. I marked it 30 and photographed it. As you can see it here, my own.
Which page?
On page 4.
When you say 7 bundles of 100, what do you mean?
I wrote the money was 70,000 US dollars. There were 7 bundles. Each bundle had 100 notes.
All notes, $100.
Yes, $100.
So the one that you marked 30, what is this 30? The mark of 30, what is that for?
I wrote the mark of 30, it was the bag where the money was found. That bag I marked it 30 with its with the content, which was
Was the money marked, was the money photographed?
I photographed the money.
And marked it what?
My Lord, since it was the bag containing the money, I marked the bag.
So
And
it
that
is
day I
the
photographed
money.
it. Then I removed the money and still photographed when they were together with the bag.
So the money and the bag are all marked 30.
That in the same wardrobe, in the master bedroom of Charles Sipapa, I recovered a canvas shoe of Adidas. It was blue in color. My Lord, that canvas was containing 4 iPhones. The 4 iPhones were packed in that canvas shoe. My Lord is still in the master bedroom of Charles Sipapa. I recovered a box which was containing some watches and some gold jewels.
Gold what?
Gold jewels.
Jewelries. I need to know your number.
And it was at the wardrobe. It was found at the wardrobe. which I marked 26.
Explain that. What do you mean by not?
Wardrobe.
A box containing
Your worship, this was a box containing,
just what you is not.
it was on the top.
Can we use the white title, my lord?
My lord, not your worship.
My lord?
Your lordship.
My lord, this box was at the wardrobe.
Which word?
There was,
When it says at, because the other things it said you are found in. So what does it mean by at?
it was on the top.
On top of the order.
Yes,
I can talk like that.
but not of it was not of the same height still. The where I found the shoes and the money, it was a long wardrobe.
This was a different one.
This was a wardrobe like a table, in a table form.
You take a picture.
I took a pic. I marked it 26.
Call it 26.
I marked it 26 melon.
That is the books. Which one are
Does
you
it have the wardrobe there?
It was on top
Of the
of the wardrobe, like that.
word, the point.
The wardrobe is a table. Can I have a look?
They will call it a table.
Call it.
The wardrobe
So there's a jewelry case which is on the top of a chest like this. What's it from?
Give us the invitation, especially Islamic,
What is
No, I
it?
think
You should use the local language.
let's see. This
Can you go on the description?
Black bag, the black laptop bag, which was under his bed. And the bag was containing 3 laptops. One was a Dell type. The second one was an Apple. Then the third one was a MacBook. They were found in a black bag which was under the bed, the master bedroom of Judge Sipapa. I marked the bag with its laptops. I marked it 18 and I photographed it. As you can see here, my lord is still in the master bedroom of Judge Sipapa. I recovered a metallic box which was blue in color. The box was green color and it was blue. And it was under a chair in the master bedroom of Judge Sipapa, which I marked 15. And photographed it. as you can see here in this picture.
Did you get access to that blue box?
My lord, I did not get access to see what was inside the metallic box because it was sealed and locked.
Was it an empty box?
My lord, it was not an empty box. It was a heavy box which on shaking you can hear as if it was some metallic things inside. I recovered a suspected gold melter with 2 suspected pieces of gold.
Recovered?
It was a suspected gold melter. Gold melter. With the 2 pieces of suspected gold. I marked it 31 and photographed it, as you can see it clearly in this picture. Suspected gold jewels. Which was found on the table, which I marked 25 and photographed it.
This is different from the other one you said was.
It's different.
So what was the location of this one?
The location of
The suspected gold jewel.
the suspected gold jewels, it was on the table in the master bedroom of Charles Bwino. My lord is still in the master bedroom of Charles Bwino Sipapa. I recovered a monitor for CCTV footage. I covered the monitor for CCTV footage from the master bedroom of Charles Bwino Sipapa. Which I marked 13 and photographed it. Can be seen clear on page 8 of my report. My lord, there were chargers of iPhone. There were 2 chargers, one of iPhone USB and one was a macro charger. I covered them, photographed, and I marked them 23. As they can be seen here. My report.
Page 6.
My lord, I recovered the digital video recorder, that's the DVR. In the ceiling, which was inside the house of Charles Bwino Sipapa. It was in the ceiling.
Which part of the house?
The part of that ceiling was in the entrance of the ceiling was in the corridor going to the master bedroom. Where I entered inside the ceiling and recovered the DVR. I marked it 6 and photographed.
Ng'amagalo, ekyuma ekituligo n'ekiwummula, ebisala waya, n'asangamu n'ebikwata ku mmotoka nga amplifier, toolbox 6, rims 4, amataala 12, indicators, bumper ya G2, bumper ya V8, radiator 3. Era n'agamba nti mu kisenge ekyo yaggyayo n'esente endala okwongeza ku mitwalo 7 gya dola, yasangamu emitwalo 99 mu sente za Uganda ku meeza, n'asangayo eza Sudaani 99, n'asangayo euro 25 ne dola endala nga zonna ziri dola 27.
Mr. Mpumbi, you did some more work with respect to this case. What else did you do?